So, great news. Starlink have just announced that you can now buy their Starlink kits on credit in Zimbabwe. Now, Starlink have just removed the biggest hurdle that was hindering most Zimbabweans from getting onto Elon Musk's low Earth orbit satellite constellation, which is Starlink. Now, just the other day, one of my viewers was lamenting about how only those who can afford are enjoying Starlink. Well, Alan, here's your chance to also get Starlink. But just like anything in life, there's a catch. It's only the $200 Starlink Mini, which is up for credit and not the standard kit. And secondly, if you live in an area where there's no capacity, then this credit facility does not apply to you. Actually, when you log on to the Starlink website from an area with capacity, you will not even get the option to buy the Starlink Mini. Only the standard is available for the waiting list. But if you live in an area where there's capacity, you can either choose to pay for your Starlink in 6-month or 9-month installments. Both options will require you to pay a $50 Starlink Mini hardware fee and $25 a month for 6 months or $16.67 a month for 9 months. Also, take note of the $23 shipping and handling fee, and in 1 or 2 weeks' time, you should receive your Starlink kit. Now, Zimbabwe is the only country in Southern Africa where this promotion is running directly from the Starlink website. In Zambia, the same thing is going on, but you have to go through a reseller. Now, this is nothing new. Starlink is always coming up with new and exciting promotions. For example, in Kenya, they had a promotion where Kenyans would actually rent Starlink kits from $15 a month. Now, in all this, I couldn't help but think how local players can take a leaf from Starlink on how to do business. I mean, think about it. They noticed that in urban areas, all the urban areas, or most of them, are at capacity. And the only place where there's still capacity is the rural areas. And the missing link is that those in the rural areas cannot afford. And they decided to make them pay in installments. I mean, think about it. Which local company is operating at that frequency, man? Which local company is doing business at that rate? So the question is, what is stopping local players from also adopting the same strategies? Why don't you just give out the hardware so that you just get people into your ecosystem and they pay you a monthly fee for your hardware? Anyway, enough of the ranting. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.